Today's Tech Hack shows you how to create your own Breakout Analytic in order to give a case manager an overview about the ongoing review process. It is also an easy entry for the reviewers to have the items ready that are not reviewed yet. Our demo case has a secured field in place to easily define if an item is relevant or not. To create your own view into your case based on existing analytics, you need to have access to the Investigate server to edit those pre-shipped JSON files in the folder Visualization Config, which can be found under C, Program Files, Nuix, Web Platform Nuix Investigate. In our case, we're going to edit Breakout JSON. We're now going to add a new profile at the end of the existing file. I have already prepared my custom profile, as you can see here. It's called Review Progress and splits up into 3 parts: the relevant, not relevant, and not reviewed items. I've got the name, our own icon, the actual query, and if needed you can define a metadata profile as well. Let's copy this predefined JSON profile into the existing Breakout JSON. To add a new profile, I need to add a comma, pass the new JSON bit, and go ahead and save it. Back over to Investigate, do a browser refresh. I choose my already created Arina perspective, which is empty at the moment. Add a new Breakout Analytic, select Configure under the burger menu. Now switch to the new created profile Review Progress, change the icon size and hit Update. Here we go, our newly created view about the actual case status is ready. Thanks for watching.